Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two incredible mirrorless cameras from Sony. We have the Sony Alpha a6400 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. These cameras are packed with amazing features and capabilities that cater to different needs. So let's jump right into the comparison and find out which camera might be the perfect fit for you. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Both cameras excel in terms of speed and autofocus performance. The Sony Alpha a6400 boasts the world's fastest 0.02-second autofocus with real-time AF and object tracking. It ensures that your subjects are captured precisely and quickly. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 also offers fast and accurate autofocus thanks to its large 24.2 MP APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor and Bions X processor. You can rely on both cameras to capture those fleeting moments without missing a beat. When it comes to subject capture, the Sony Alpha a6400 shines with its wide 425-phase 425 contrast detection points over 84% of the sensor. It provides enhanced accuracy and coverage, allowing you to capture subjects with precision. Similarly, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 utilizes its advanced technology to ensure sharp and detailed images of your subjects. With both cameras, you'll have the versatility and reliability to capture stunning photos and videos. If you're into videography, both cameras offer impressive movie functions. The Sony Alpha a6400 lets you create time-lapse movies and slow quick-motion videos without the need for post-processing. Additionally, its tiltable LCD screen makes it perfect for vlogging or recording professional films. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features a unique product showcase setting that transitions focus seamlessly from face to object, providing you with more creative possibilities. You can also enjoy easy live streaming with just a single USB cable and no extra hardware or software required. Now let's talk about the price. The Sony Alpha a6400 is priced at $898, while the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 comes in slightly lower at $798. Both cameras offer incredible value for their price point, but the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 provides an accessible option without compromising on performance and features. And there you have it. We've compared the Sony Alpha a6400 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. Both cameras are highly capable and offer unique features to suit different needs. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a content creator, these cameras have got you covered. Remember to consider your specific requirements and preferences when making your decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.